Now the next stanza, the meanings are the last line, truck means connect. Okay. So now the poet is saying that as I am saying again and again that people should have break and they should have the introspection, it does not mean that I am talking about the total inactivity. The poet just wants to say that he is not advocating the total inactivity, means he is not saying that you should sit without doing any work. By saying that poet has told us that we should have the break. No, this is not his mean. He just wants to say that we should have little break from our busy schedule, because he is saying that total inactivity means death. When a person become died, what is the position of his body? There is no activity. So the poet is saying that life means movement, life means activity. So I don't want to make you inactive, because total inactivity means just like death. So you should not, mean the readers should not get confused by having the break. Poet does not want to make us inactive at all. In this stanza, the poet has told us that what he just want to point out, that people have become single-minded, means they have become selfish. They are not thinking for the welfare of the other people. They are only thinking about their own benefits, about their own families, not anything else. Okay, that's why he's saying that if we have become so single-minded, keeping our life moving, means all the time we are busy to fulfill our targets, our mission of the life. We are not having time even for our friends, for our relatives. We are not becoming social. So he's saying that what will be the result? That one day we will feel very sorry and a huge silence will enter in our life, means we will become very sad. Nobody will be there to share our problems. Only the sadness will be there, and even we will be feeling sorry for not understanding ourselves. Means when we will grown up, then we might be having a lot of time. At that time we might be thinking that even I have not given time to my own hobbies, even I have not given time to my own family. I was busy only in earning money, and at that time we might be feeling very sorry. And this what we have devoted for whole our life only just to earn money, and what some people have devoted their life that they were busy in planning that how they should make other people to fight and how they can make other countries to have wars. And if two countries are having war, then only the people are having the threat of death. Means what? Because we have become very materialistic, we are not paying attention to our need, we have become very selfish, and the result is that in the old age we are just waiting for our death, because no one is there to share our problems. Now this is the final stanza. The poet just wants to say that how we should have the break. He says that earth also takes the break. So earth can be the best teacher to tell us how we should have the break. Because during winter season, what we observe, that earth has become dull and it almost seems dead. But in reality it is not dead. What is the life process is going on beneath the earth. It is proved later on when in spring season the earth becomes beautiful with greenery, with beautiful flowers, it becomes multicolored. So it means that it was not dead, it was only having a break, it was only having some rest, and after the break, after the rest, it has become more beautiful. In the same way, if a person is having break, he can restart the things in better way. So again the poet is advising the people of the earth to have a break. He is saying he will have counting from 1 to 12, means for a short period of time, so everyone should have the break.